Okay, let's just go ahead and get right to it. This evening, I'm making some cheddar ranch burgers. And if you've never had one, you're missing out. These are so delicious. And I'm just gonna throw these together and we're gonna put them on the grill. The first thing I'm using is 1 pound of ground chicken, 1 egg, you can use a full ranch packet if you want to, but I have a half of a ranch packet that I have and I want to utilize. A half a teaspoon of garlic. We're going to add some crackers. Now you can use breadcrumbs if you'd like to, but I'm just going to use some crackers. And I've got a half a pack of Ritz crackers. Actually, I'm not even sure it's a half a pack. This is just the small lunch size packets, and I'm just gonna crush that. I'm just gonna pour that right in there. These crackers are gonna help this meat to bind together. Also the cheese, can't forget the cheese. So I have got probably about 1/3 of a cup of cheese. We're just gonna mix this together. You can use your hands, you can use your gloves. Y'all, my husband's over here making faces at me. Come on, get in front of the camera. No, he says no. As I was saying, now we're gonna mix this together. You can use your hands, make sure they're clean. I think we all know that. Or you can use gloves, and I'm gonna use a fork. Oh, it smells so good. I can smell the ranch. Now that I've got that mixed together, I'm just gonna pat them out and take them out to the grill. This only made 3 very large burgers. If you want more, then you'll need to double this recipe. If you want to follow me, we're going to go out on the back porch and grill some cheddar ranch burgers. We did spray the grates with some Pam, and we're just going to let this heat up to 350 degrees. That's what we're waiting on. It is so pretty out here. It's gorgeous. I feel summertime in the air. And look at my basil. This is almost on 350 degrees, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these burgers on. Okay, so the temp dropped down to 250. It's got to heat back up. So you don't want to leave that lid open too long, like I just did. Our temp is at 350, but we're going to check on these. Okay, they're looking good. I think these should be about ready to flip. It's been about 10 or 15 minutes. Ah, yeah. Okay, once they browned on each side, I just put them on that top so that they could cook a little bit longer. They've been on here about 25 minutes. You want them to cook about 30 minutes. And guys, it's about to storm here. These are so good, y'all. Now we're just gonna slap one on the bun. Top it with some cheese and some ranch dressing and bacon. Of course, I have to use turkey bacon due to my allergies, but you can put some real pork bacon on that. And, oh, this is really good.